The game mode is defend the building, and we're on the defending side, and every attacker has unlimited lives while we have 2. It's a very tense situation for us, and we have 2 sides of our team split up into each part of the building. I'm in the front side, and we have a couple people in the back.
Hey!
Oh, shit. Is he dead? Oh, shit. Alright. Can you be revived?
Yeah, I can.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Noah, can you be revived?
Huh?
Can you be revived?
No, I already got revived.
Oh, alright.
There's one on that door to the right. Yeah.
There's a dude all the way over there.
Wait.
He's the far back. You can see his tip right there. Tip.
It's like behind the wall. Or what?
The far back white, whatever it is.
Wait, what? Oh.
Right there. And there's.
Up.
He's in there, or he's trying to hide.
They're about to come around the corner. Bro.
Hey.
Huh.
I saw this laser.
I think I got him. I got him. Got one.
Should I go raise my team?
Hold on.
Cover me.
You're covered.
Behind you.
Ow, hey, fuck. Nice shot, hit my leg. This is my, I'm out. Sorry, I'm out.
Oh, you're out? Yeah, you're out.
Dead man coming out, dead man.
One's pushing.
Dead man.
I see one.
Dead man.
There's one right at the entrance. He's right. Nah, this dude's tall. Yeah, it's a tall motherfucker. Oh shit.
I'm in a tough situation here to where the people in the back are dead, and we have Op 4 coming right at us from the front.
They're in.
Oh, they'll come back.
Reloading. Well,
They're pushed in like that way.
right here.
No, watch your back. Watch it.
Shit, one went in.
One's in?
One's in.
Watch out. One on the window.
Shit, I can't tell if that dude's dead or not. I'm gonna shoot him. I mean, I can be revived, so.
Oh, there's a teammate right there.
Alright, hold on, I'm picking up my mag. No, Liam. Liam's dead.
Teammate.
He's hit. Right here. Got him. Ooh. Holy shit.
Now it's just me and 2 other dudes. We're pinned down by people rushing through all sides.
Hit.
Sadly, we got rushed from all sides and we all died, and no one to revive us. We had to head back to spawn. The next game mode was Team Deathmatch, and me and my buddies are heading back to our spawn.
That motherfucker that shot me in the jaw. I'm gonna him.
I'm so hot right now. I'm pretty sure there's people in black now.
Ooh, you know what? Could go down there and.
Because there's people over there.
Our team or not?
There's like 2 people in black, I think.
Okay, well, let's push in black right here. Get some info, and then There's Brian. Brian. Talk to us, buddy. Motherfucker. My jaw. Oh.
I haven't killed like anyone.
I've killed like,
I killed one person whenever I was in the octagon.
I'd say 4 maybe. Oh shit, I see one. Tan car.
Move, Brian.
Hey, oh my. Gage. Shot me in the.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
He's got range on me. My gun can't shoot that far.
Neither can mine, dude. Not me, dude.
Okay, well.
If we get the dude in the Pentagon, that's a straight away
The
to the
Pentagon? Oh, scared the out of me. I
Watch
almost
the
took-
Come on, follow me.
You gonna help me push move?
Sure.
We just got in there. We like killed everybody in there, but there was one guy that pushed us back.
Alright.
We can go right here.
No, here, follow me.
No, there's a dude right there at the tan car, right in front of. He shot me in the. So.
Okay. Follow me.
Yeah, full push to octagon.
Just keep going. Don't stop. Just don't stop. Just keep going. Keep going. Keep shooting. Keep shooting. I'm on.
He's right in behind the cardboard roll.
I see it. Got him. I had to squeeze it in there.
Bands.
Sadly, my GoPro stopped recording. I'm gonna post more. This was basically a part 1, so stay tuned.